Everyone, it's Raven. Welcome back to the Nest. So what I will be doing is checking in on my savings challenges for 2021. I'm doing a total of 2 savings challenges for the year. I'm on this mission to save an extra $10,000 in order to put towards my house fund. So if you're interested in seeing how I'm doing with my saving challenges, stay tuned. Okay, so first I always start with my $1 monthly savings challenge. I will link up above a more detailed description of this savings challenge and how it works and everything. But in short, you're basically adding to your savings amount the equivalent of whatever day it is for the month. So on the first, you're going to save $1, the second $2, third $3, so on and so forth. And you're going to do that throughout the entire year. So I have been doing this challenge since the beginning of January, and it's going quite well. The only thing I don't do well is I don't track off my days as they go. I'm doing it in my account, of course, when I'm adding the amount over to my savings, but coming and actually physically doing my sheets, not so much. But then one would ask, why are you keeping sheets then if you're not using them for real? But I'm going to really enjoy having all these completed at the end of the year and be able to go back and look and see how well I did on staying on track with this goal. So like I said, I make a sheet each year, well, each month for this. So this is the June sheet. So let's go ahead and fill in our amounts. I don't know where my pen is that I normally use for this, but I'm going to pull another color. Okay, so today is June 14th. So we're going to mark off the 7th, the 8th, the 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, and I'm going to go ahead and mark off the 14th because I have put in my amount for today. Normally I will count for last Monday up through Sunday, which was yesterday, and I normally do that because I usually film this video quite early on Monday before I start my work day, so that's before I do anything else. So the Monday amount isn't usually always in there, but I went ahead and did it today because I'm actually recording this video quite late in the day, so this does count for Monday's amount of this week. All right, so let's go ahead and calculate up. And then we're going to write down, where's my pad? Here's my pad. I need my calculatree. Okay, there's the calculator. So we're going to count from the 7th all the way to the 14th. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So for savings challenge number 1, which is essentially what I designate this challenge in my budget each month, there was a total, that should have been a total change of $84. I always want to put should on there because this is another way for me to keep track and be accountable and all that with this goal. So I come in here and I want to check to see where I should be, and then I go into my account and make sure that the numbers match up, and that's when I post my screenshots for you all and all of that. So again, savings challenge number 1, we should be at $84. Let's move on to my next savings challenge that I'm doing for the year. Now this one is more of a weekly challenge. So each week I designate an amount to go into my savings, which all of it is adding up to my $10,000 that I'll be saving this year. And I designate this one, naturally, savings challenge number 2. And the change I should have for that, and I'm going to zoom y'all in just a bit so that y'all can see. So the change I should have for that, because we ended off on week 22, which was 6-4, and I put my amounts in on Fridays. So this past Friday was actually 6-11, and I did put in my $90 for that week. So let's go ahead and add $90 here. That brings us to a grand total change for the week, 84 plus 90. So I should have a total change of 174 for these savings challenges. Now I'm going to post my screenshot of my savings account because I'm saving these two amounts together in one account. I'm not doing separate accounts for each challenge because, like I said, ultimately the money is going to combine together for my $10,000. So I will go ahead and post a screenshot that I had last week, which shows that currently in my account, well, not currently, sorry, this was from last week. Last week's amount was $1,933.04. And then I'm going to go ahead and post a screenshot for this week. And like I said, it should reflect a change of $174 as long as I'm on track. So here's a screenshot for this week. And we have a total of $2,107.04. So just to kind of, you know, make myself accountable and make sure everything is tracking correctly. Last week's amount again was $1,933.04. We had a total change of $174. So that should bring our total to exactly what we have in our account right now. $1,933.04 was what we had last week. We should have a change of $174. And there it is. $2,107.04. So we are exactly where we need to be. Not a dollar more, not a dollar less, which is how I like it. So that is where we are. We're not quite halfway there. We're almost there. I think within another week and a half, I will be at $5,000 total. Because currently what I have, I'm going to post a screenshot right here. The screenshot you see here is my total amount from these savings challenges from Q1. That was from January through March. So it's sitting at $2,599. And then I have in this account, which is what I started in Q2, which would have been in April, $2,107.04. So if you add those two amounts together, $2,599 plus $2,107.04, we're just shy, about $200-ish short of $5,000. So we're almost there. We're almost halfway. And then what I will do at the end of this month, which this month will end Q2, I'm going to move over that balance to the $2,599. I'm just going to move it over to Ally. I choose to do that because, I mean, I like seeing, I like feeling like I'm making progress each quarter. And it's like the quarter for me is like you're wiping your slate clean and you're starting over. I mean, you do that every day and you do that every month, but something about quarters to me just, I don't know, makes me feel like I'm really doing something. So that's why I just completely wipe the slate clean at the start of a quarter. And then, like I said, I'm going to combine that over with the $25.99. So, and I'm sure by the time I do that, I will be probably over $5,000 by the end of this month. Like I said, I'm thinking probably by the middle of next week, I'll probably be at $5,000 total by the middle of next week. And then by the end of the month, I'll be over $5,000. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed so that you do not miss any more of my videos. Thanks guys. Peace.